Every 60 seconds, a brand new electric car is born. But what happens inside the factory? Robots, lasers, and precision engineering. This is how the future of cars is built.
This is where next-generation electric cars begin.
High-quality aluminum arrives for body construction.
Stamping machines shape strong body panels. Panels move automatically to welding lines. Every frame passes advanced quality scanning. Robots weld the frame in seconds. Automated painting ensures flawless finishing. Heat tunnels dry paint perfectly. Technicians install complex wiring systems. Battery modules are assembled with precision. Massive battery packs power the vehicle. Electric motors are fitted automatically. Wheels are attached on moving lines. Glass installation uses robotic accuracy.
Luxury interiors are carefully installed.
Smart digital systems complete the cabin. Safety systems undergo strict testing. Each car is tested before delivery.
Polishing robots create showroom shine.
Completed vehicles move to storage zones.
Final inspections ensure perfect quality.
Cars are prepared for global shipment.
Thousands of cars leave every week. This is how the future of mobility is built.